India's COVID-19 cases cross 2 lakh mark. Active cases in India stand at 1,01,497. 1,302 people have been discharged. India's COVID-19 death toll also has risen to 5,815. Maharashtra continues to remain worst affected. Maharashtra continues to top the tally with over 70,000 cases. It's also largely because the state has increased its testing capacity. Here is the big breaking coming in at this point of time. India's COVID-19 cases have crossed 2 lakh mark. We continue to see a steep increase in the number of cases with each passing day. Let's go across to my colleague Ashish Parekh, who joins us live from the newsroom with more inputs on it. Well, a very good morning to you, Ashish. First of all, now COVID-19 cases in India have crossed a grim milestone of 2 lakh mark. Of course, the active cases also stand at 1,01,497. But it does appear that the threat is far from being over. The fact is that ICMR also has said that the peak is yet to come.
Absolutely, Neha. We've been talking about how this grim milestone has been staring at the country for a while now, and finally we have crossed the number, the 2 lakh tally that everyone had been talking about. The total number of cases in India has seen the biggest spike so far, as it has come down to almost 8,909 cases in the last 24 hours. Remember, we've been talking about how the country has been recording over 8,000 cases per day over the past 3-4 days. Now it's even close to touching 9,000, clearly showing that this pandemic is far from over, and rightly so. Even the ICMR pointed out that the peak is far, India is very far from the peak of the pandemic. And looking at the pattern that we're looking at here, the number of cases are rising every passing day. Initially we were looking at 1,000 to 2,000 cases every day, then it rose to 4,000, 7,000, 8,000, and now looks like 9,000 is something that will become the new norm as far as the total number of cases are concerned in the period of 24 hours. And this is something that the authorities will have to take note of as well. And also, speaking about the situation right now in the country, we've been talking about the number of people being discharged because of from after recovery. Even that has increased. That is one positive sign out of all of this. But clearly the grim milestone of 2 lakh has been crossed as the country registers the highest ever spike of COVID-19 cases, that is 8,909 cases in just 24 hours.